Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are looking at the SuperGrid expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this one is a grid trading system on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame with various safety features and filters. It sounds like a more controlled grid approach, but I ran my standard 1-year test to see how it performs in practice, so stick around for the full breakdown, which is going to happen in this video. Ensure you watch until the end. But before we dive into the details, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below. It's 100% worth it, so ensure you check it out. Now let's get started. We are talking about the SuperGrid, and it goes for $120, and it doesn't have any reviews or comments, and the developer is Ying Liu from China. It's not really popular, it doesn't have any reviews, and there has not been any updates at all since it was published on the 4th of December 2020. Now let's get down to the details. It is an advanced grid system that opens threads in a grid pattern with smart safety mechanisms. It includes features like break-even, trailing stop, safety drawdown methods, and filters based on RSI and ATR. The EA can manage buy and sell sides separately, and it uses percentage-based lot sizing relative to free margin. Also, it has options for grid gaps defined as a percentage of price. It emphasizes safety with drawdown protection, and also we have the pending order management and session controls. It's marketed as suitable for EURUSD and other pairs on the 15-minute time frame, with tools to limit risk while capturing ranging market opportunities. And they do not have any backtest numbers which we can use to gauge how it looks or how it works, but all we have is this equity and balance curve of probably, I think, is backtest, and we have this straight line upward showing that it works and it is profitable. They also claim that it has a live track record of many months of stable trading with low drawdown, but we do not see any of that here. They don't have any signal which we can check, any live signal, and also there are no backtest pictures or pictures of how it looks, and this is something to watch out for. But aside that, let's talk about the key features and the settings of the expert advisor. Now, the main setting that they highlight is the grid gap percentage. This one, this is it here, the grid gap, and also the trade size as percent of free margin. Then we have the RSI levels for filtering, and we have the break-even and trailing logic. We also have the safety drawdown methods with multiple options. We have the max trade limits, and then we also have the various safety procedures like closing all on certain conditions. It also has time-based controls and spread considerations. It's positioned as a flexible, safer alternative to basic grids with built-in protections for live trading. Yeah, this is the way it's marketed. Now, I ran my backtest on EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame. EURUSD is a popular pair, and the 15-minute time frame is a generally accepted time frame for trading. So I decided to run it on the EURUSD on the 15-minute time frame, and it was run from June 2025 to June 2026 with a $10,000 deposit. The total net profit came in at a small loss of about $146. Also, the profit factor is 0.73, and the max equity drawdown stayed low, around 2%. Now, that all of these the drawdowns are quite impressive, but the win rate was 50% overall with 40 trades in total. And the equity curve shows a slow choppy decline with small recoveries and one sharp drop toward the end. And when you compare this to the positive claims and even the image, the backtest image which we saw, this is quite modest and highlights the challenges. And looking at the chart, see the kind of trades it takes. It's basically shorting, and the market is bullish, and it's shorting and shorting, and in hopes of recovery. Of course, this is the way grid works. And it kept on shorting, and he held on for days, for weeks, waiting to close out the position. Basically, I guess he held on till the end of the backtest session, because as you can see, we didn't close any trade. The balance remained the same until it closed almost toward the end of the backtesting session. So with the way it works, it's not really efficient. I can't really recommend this. And now the features that mattered here, like I said, the percentage grid gap and safety drawdown method, which helped contain losses. We also have the RSI filter, showed you that, and we have the break even and the take profit levels, which are tied to protect winners. But overall, the grid still faced ranging pressure with slippage impact. The thing is, even safe grids struggle when the market doesn't cooperate. Now, my verdict for this expert advisor is that it is a grid expert advisor, and we know how grid expert advisors are. They can be very risky, but this one has decent safety layers, but still it behaves like a classic grid in lifelike conditions. Nuances will include sensitivity to spread on the 15-minute time frame and the potential for bigger drawdowns in strong trends, and also the need for monitoring safety features. Implications is that it can work in tight ranges but bleeds in directional moves. I would say it's for experienced grid traders comfortable with averaging, who use conservative sizing and watch accounts closely. But if you are new, you should avoid this expert advisor. If you hate drawdowns, you should also avoid it. And if you run prop firm accounts with tight rules, or you prefer trend systems, you should also avoid the SuperGrid expert advisor. Don't forget to test extensively on demo with multiple pairs to find the one that fits and the one that rocks your boat. But if you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and also hit the notifications for more expert advisor reviews like this one. Honest, we do not mince words. Comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description, link below. And thanks for watching. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.